Welcome to CompSoft Solutions, where innovation meets creativity. We are your partners in crafting a powerful digital presence for your business. Our expert team specializes in cutting-edge multimedia services, starting with distinctive logo design and creation that captures your brand's essence. We also craft eye-catching flyers, posters, and professional business cards, ensuring your message stands out in any medium. Elevate your storytelling with our dynamic multimedia video production, designed to engage and captivate your audience. Beyond visuals, we build your online foundation with optimized Google business profiles and precise Google Maps listings. And for broader reach, we create and manage compelling YouTube channels, turning viewers into loyal customers. Experience our fast turnaround times and the flexibility of 100% remote service, adapting to your schedule and needs. With CompSoft Solutions, you gain an experienced and trustworthy partner committed to your success. Ready to transform your brand? Contact us today to begin your journey towards unparalleled digital excellence.